Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get wheat in Heartopia, which is an important material for crafting fertilizer. So what is wheat used for? Wheat is one of the materials that needed to make fertilizer, or you can also use it to feed any wild animals in this map. And you can also use this wheat to cook grass cake. And there are two easy ways to get wheat. The first way is through the quest rewards. Like some quests can give you wheat directly after you complete them, so make sure to check your quest reward regularly, just any quest on this game. And then the second and the most common way is by harvesting your crops. Like while farming, you may notice some small green plants that growing around your crop plots like this. You can see it like this. You can see it, and these are weeds. So just simply harvest your crop as usual and the weed will be collected automatically like this. Just tap on this pick up button and you will see the weed added to your inventory. It's so simple. So just keep farming and harvesting and you will collect weed along the way. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. And what? Thanks for watching and see you.